Welcome to the YouTube channel of Legally Trust. This video is one of the series of educational videos that will be available on this channel under the category General Awareness.
Hello friends. In today's video, we will speak about the scope of intellectual property rights, governing regulations, the areas of intellectual property in India. Now, let's understand the scope of intellectual property. The scope of IT is broad. Two classification modes are used to determine whether IP is a copyright or an industrial property. Industrial properties include patents or inventions, trademarks, trade names, biodiversity, plant breeding rights, and other commercial interest. A patent gives its holder the exclusive right to use intellectual property for the purpose of making money from the invention. An invention is itself a new creation, process, machine, or manufacture. Having copyrights does not give you the exclusive rights to an idea, but it protects the expression of ideas that are different from the patent. Copyright covers many fields, from art and literature to scientific work and software. Even audiovisual works, music works are covered under copyrights. The duration of copyright protection exists 60 years after the death of the creator. In other words, an author's book is copyrighted for his entire life and then 60 years after his death. Unlike the patent laws, there is no requirement for administrative process in copyright laws. Now, why do we promote and protect intellectual property? There are several reasons for promoting and protecting intellectual property. Some of them are: progress and the good of humanity remains in the ability to create and invent new works in the field of technology and culture. IP protection encourages publication, distribution, and disclosure of creations to the public rather than keeping it a secret. Promotion and protection of intellectual property promotes economic development, generates new jobs and industries, and improves the quality of life. Intellectual property helps in balancing between the innovator's interest and the public interests. It provides an environment where innovation, creativity, and invention can flourish and benefit all. Now let's understand the governing regulations. Intellectual property rights in India is governed under the following acts: Trademarks Act of 1999, the Patent Act of 1970, the Copyright Act of 1957, the Design Act of 2000, the Geographical Indication of Goods Act 1999, the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Acts 2001, the Information and Technology Act of 2000. Kinds of intellectual property. India's legal framework caters to the following areas of intellectual property: trademarks, patents, copyrights, industrial designs, geographical indication, layout designs of integrated circuits, varieties of plants, information technology and cybercrimes, data protection. The subject of intellectual property is very broad. There are many different types of rights that together make up intellectual property. IP can be basically divided into two categories, that is, industrial property and intellectual property. Traditionally, many IPRs were collectively known as industrial assets. It mainly consists of patents, trademarks, and designs. Now, the protection of industrial property extends to the utility model, service models, trade names, passes, signs, or sources of origin. They also suppress unfair competition. It can be said that the term industrial property is the predecessor of intellectual property. We hope this video was informative. Thank you for watching.
Hope the information contained in this video was useful to you. We look forward to each one of your support and cooperation in making this initiative a success. For more details about the trust, do visit us at www.legalatrust.in. Kindly subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates about various law-related educational videos. Thank you for watching us and have a good day.